9 and above. Zone 4. 8. Zone 3. 7. Continuing 1. Earthquakes in India. Zone 2. 6 and below. Year. Location. 1819 Kutch, Gujarat. 1897 Shillong, Assam. Continuing 1. Earthquakes in India. 1905 Kangra, HP. 1934 Bihar, Nepal. 1950 Assam. 1993 Latur, Maharashtra. Continuing 1. Earthquakes in India. 2001 Bhuj, Gujarat. 2005 Kashmir, TOKJ and K. 2015 Nepal, affected Bihar, UP. Turn. Meaning. And 5 more in the full notes at keralaprep.com. 2. Floods in India. River system. States affected. Brahmaputra. Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya. Ganga. Bihar, UP, West Bengal. Kosi, Soro of Bihar. Bihar. Continuing 2. Floods in India. Damodar, Soro of Bengal. West Bengal, Jharkhand. Mahandi. Odisha. Godavari. Andhra Pradesh, Telangana. Narmada, Tapi. Gujarat, Maharashtra. Continuing 2. Floods in India. Periyar, Pamba. Kerala. Type. Cause. Riverine floods. Heavy rainfall, dam overflow. Flash floods. Sudden heavy rain in hilly areas. Continuing 2. Floods in India. Coastal floods. Storm surge from cyclones. Urban floods. Poor drainage plus heavy rain. Glacial lake outburst, GLOF. Glacial lake breach. Year. Key details. And 3 more in the full notes at keralaprep.com. 3. Cyclones. Coast. States. East Coast, Bay of Bengal. West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu. West Coast, Arabian Sea. Gujarat, Maharashtra, Kerala, Karnataka. Region. Naming authority. Continuing 3. Cyclones. North Indian Ocean, Bay of Bengal plus Arabian Sea. IMD, India Meteorological Department. Names contributed by 13 member countries of WMO ESCAP panel. Name given by India. Year. Agni. Continuing 3. Cyclones. Gati. 2020 case. 2023 Mursu. Upcoming list. Aag, Jal, Leher, Megh, Sagar, Vayu. Various. Continuing 3. Cyclones. Category. Wind speed, km/h. Depression. 31 to 49. Deep depression. 50 to 61. Cyclonic storm. 62 to 87. And 12 more in the full notes at keralaprep.com. 4. Droughts. Type. Definition. Meteorological. Rainfall deficiency of more than 25% of normal. Hydrological. Depletion of surface and subsurface water. Agricultural. Soil moisture insufficient for crop growth. Continuing 4. Droughts. Region. States. Western Rajasthan. Thar Desert region. Deccan Plateau. Maharashtra, Marathwada, Vidarbh, Karnataka, Telangana. Gujarat. Kutch, Saurashtra. Continuing 4. Droughts. Interior Tamil Nadu. Ramnathpuram, parts of Coimbatore. Rayalaseema. Andhra Pradesh. IMD declares drought when rainfall is below 75% of normal, 25% deficiency. Severe drought. Below 50% of normal rainfall. Continuing 4. Droughts. India receives 75% of rainfall from southwest monsoon, June to September. El Niño often correlates with weak monsoon and drought in India. The Drought Management Division is under the Department of Agriculture. 5. Tsunamis. Aspect. Details. Origin. Undersea earthquake of Sumatra, Indonesia, M9.1. Deaths, total. Over 230,000 across 14 countries. Deaths in India. About 10,749, Tamil Nadu, Andaman and Nicobar, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, Puducherry. Continuing 5. Tsunamis. Most affected in India. Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Nagpattinam, Tamil Nadu. Wave height. Up to 30 meters at some locations. Warning time. None. No warning system existed for Indian Ocean. Measure. Details. Continuing 5. Tsunamis. INCOS. Indian National Centre for Ocean Information Services now issues tsunami warnings. ITWC. Indian Tsunami Early Warning Centre at Hyderabad, EST 2007. Deep Ocean Sensors. Bottom pressure recorders deployed in Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea. Coastal vulnerability mapping. Undertaken by multiple agencies. 6. Disaster Management Framework in India. Body. Full form. NDMA. National Disaster Management Authority. NDRF. National Disaster Response Force. NIDAM. National Institute of Disaster Management. Continuing 6. Disaster Management Framework in India. NEC. National Executive Committee. Body. Role. SDMA. State Disaster Management Authority, chaired by Chief Minister. SEC. State Executive Committee, chaired by Chief Secretary. Continuing 6. Disaster Management Framework in India. SDRF. State Disaster Response Fund. Body. Role. DDMA. District Disaster Management Authority, chaired by District Collector Magistrate. Law. Year. Continuing 6. Disaster Management Framework in India. Disaster Management Act. 2005 amended. 2024 feature. Details. Established. 2006 under DAME Act 2005. And 5 more in the full notes at keralaprep.com. 7. Kerala Specific Disaster Information. Disaster Type. Kerala's vulnerability. Floods. Very high Western Ghats rainfall, dam overflow. Landslides. High hilly terrain of Wayanad, Idukki, Pathanamthitta. Cyclones. Moderate occasionally affected by Arabian Sea cyclones. Continuing 7. Kerala Specific Disaster Information. Earthquakes. Zone 3, moderate risk. Coastal erosion. Severe affects entire 590 kilometers coastline. Lightning. Major cause of weather-related deaths. Aspect. Details. Continuing 7. Kerala Specific Disaster Information. Chaired by Chief Minister. Key Agency. KSDMA, Kerala State Disaster Management Authority. Disaster Response. Kerala Fire and Rescue Services, Police, Navy Assistance. Notable Response. 2018 floods, Kerala's worst flood in a century. 8 key points for PSC. India has 4 seismic zones, not 5. Zone I was merged into Zone 2. Zone V is the most dangerous seismic zone. Kerala falls in seismic zone 3. Bay of Bengal produces more cyclones than Arabian Sea, ratio approximately 5:1. Continuing 8. Key points for PSC. NDMA is chaired by the Prime Minister. SDMA is chaired by the Chief Minister. DDMA is chaired by the District Collector. NDRF was established under the Disaster Management Act, 2005. Continuing 8. Key points for PSC. The Indian Ocean Tsunami Warning System was set up after the 2004 tsunami. Kosi River is called the Sorrow of Bihar. Damodar River is called the Sorrow of Bengal. El Nano is equal to warm Pacific is equal to weak Indian monsoon is equal to drought risk. Continuing 8. Key points for PSC. La Nina is equal to cool Pacific is equal to strong Indian monsoon is equal to flood risk. For complete notes with tables and more details, visit keralaprep.com. Take quizzes and earn mock tests. Join our Telegram channel at KeralaPrep26 for daily updates.